haven't seen your car parked outside your house in a couple of weeks.
Darlene is so nosy she gets on my nerves.
Well, about that, I've been at home. I came over here to see if I can borrow $500 from you. My car was repoed the same night I went to a Beyonce concert.
Damn, Shawanda, you had $3,500 to give to the Beehive? Girl, I'm broke. You better get to singing. I'm a survivor. I ain't gonna give up. I'm gonna get me a bus card so I could get to work. If you like this video, please like, share, and follow me. Thank you.